If you want to transfer data from your old iPhone to OPPO Find X9 Pro, in order to move everything, you will need to use the Clone Phone app, which we can get for free from the App Store. And this is what you should do first. Just go to the App Store, and then we're gonna search for Clone Phone. Of course, make sure that you are downloading the correct app, because there are multiple different apps, as you can see over here, and we are specifically looking for this one with this icon for Oppo, OnePlus, and so on and so forth, made by this company over here. And we're gonna open the app. We're gonna do the same thing on our OPPO Find X9 Pro. You should have this app already pre-installed on your phone, so we're just gonna open it. Now in here on our OPPO Find X9 Pro, we need to select that this is the new device, and then we want to choose that we migrate the data from Apple. Of course, we have the instruction, what you should do in order to make it work, but generally speaking, we want to get this QR code. On the iPhone, we want to select that this is the old phone, and over here we can choose whatever we want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna just transfer photos. I don't want to transfer anything else. Of course, in your case, you probably want to transfer everything that is possible, but keep in mind that some data cannot be transferred from an iPhone to OPPO Find X9 Pro. And we're gonna tap on continue. Now we can scan the QR code. However, if you scan the code and you cannot connect your old iPhone to your Oppo, then you might want to tap connect manually over here on Oppo and at the bottom on your iPhone, and then you will have to manually connect to the hotspot that is generated by OPPO Find X9 Pro. You will see the details, of course, of the hotspot over here, so you will just have to connect to the network. In my case, I'm just gonna scan the QR code. There we go, and we want to confirm that we want to join the network. And now let's wait for the connection. There we go. And we can now once again choose whatever we want to transfer. So in my case, I just want to transfer photos, nothing more. And of course, depending on the amount of data that you have and the size of the combined data, it might take you some time, of course. So you have to be patient. But once the transfer is done, you should see this summary of the migration, so you can see all the data that has been transferred and everything that has failed for some reason. And once we are done, we can just tap done, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.